Chef here. So if you're like me, you use your knives all the time, good quality. These are all made in Germany. I like them, they work good, but sometimes they get dull pretty quick. Your knife's cutting and chopping on food and the cutting board. And let's check it here. I got a double-sided envelope. It's just losing its bite. It's not very sharp. So there's two things you can do. One of them is sharpening steel. This one here is diamond, made in America. Equal strokes on both sides. I'm all done with it. Goes back in the block there. Wipe it off. Let's check it again. Oh yeah, much sharper. So for daily use or weekly use, sharpening steel is a great tool. Knife goes back in the block. By the way, it's going to work equally well on food. You can see it's cutting this banana quite easily. And I'm going to do one more test, but before I do, I think I'll show you another way of sharpening here. This actually is the preferred way right here. Whetstone and clip. Clip goes over the knife like this. Whetstone right here. And we do equal strokes. Now it's a good idea to have a little bit of moisture on your whetstone. If you're not sure, just watch some of the other videos on this channel. We got all kinds of them on sharpening. There we go. Okay. Equal amount of strokes on both sides from the heel to the tip. Okay, I'm all done. Wipe it off. Remove the clip for next time. Perfect V is created by using the clip. Let's check it on the paper. Oh yeah, it's considerably sharper than using the whetstone. However, it takes a little more time, a little more effort. So score all of these valuable tools at your sponsor right there. Subscribe, smash the like button, and please share the video with your friends. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Just want to show you how sharp this knife is here. Banana, of course, is easy to cut, but nice, consistent slices, minimal effort. Wow, that's what you're looking for with a sharp knife. When your knife is all done, wipe it off, kitchen towel, back on the block. Yeah, get cooking and have a great day. Oh, a side note, Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. This one has been cut on more than 10 million times, and it just keeps going. It's very easy to clean. We use this bench scraper, remove any food or particles, and get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often, we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Have a beautiful day. Or you were making two-tone cream of butternut squash soup. Oh, yeah. Wow, half the cheesecake is gone already. I've reserved half for later use. Now I'm going to cut this one into smaller slices. You can see it's not that easy to cut. It's important you have a nice sharp knife that is warm and dry for each cut. So I'm going to cut these into some small pieces like this here. You also want to work quickly and get this back in the refrigerator or serve it.